Oh, that was painless. So I'm stamped out of Namibia. I noticed another injury on duty. This the system I've got here for twisting around the GoPro is busy cracking. So it clearly wasn't designed for that much wobbling. So we're going to have to come up with a better plan. What I had thought of is just a standard camera tripod head, which would probably mount here, because that'll have sort of all sorts of swivel and tight and stuff. Might be a better one, because this thing won't last, and then the GoPro is going to drop, of course. And I haven't yet. Okay, the one-way thing, because the one-way bridge. Let's switch off. I haven't yet put a little thingy, a little thing on the GoPro, so if something drops it holds it, which, geez, I've got to I wonder if someone's coming. I wonder if is there a camera? Do they even know I'm here? Phone, glasses, money, passport. Oh well, I might as well switch off.